guys, we're leaving Tangalle and our nice house that I really liked a lot, and that the whole place was very more of the quiet kind of place, and we're moving to to a more less quiet place, right? We have to go back to Colombo because we gotta make a passport for our son because his passport is nearly run out. I'm talking about this one, Vincent. Yeah. Oh, you cried because we're leaving. Nah, they're crying. Nah, yeah, we got a papaya, and she really wanted to have it, but you know we're like filled up, so she has to carry it by herself. And now she's crying because she has to do that because we carry everything for her. But sometimes, you know, she'd rather have someone carry everything for her. Anyway, so we are planning on taking the highway bus, which is like the most luxurious bus. That's what they say in all Sri Lanka. Not sure if it's true. We're gonna have a week in Colombo, and then we will be going to the north first, probably. Let's see if it works out. I think from Colombo we can take a train to Jaffna. We don't have that much luggage. I got my backpack, I got the stroller and the little pack. We got the suitcase and the bag, and the little ones have one bag each, but still it's quite a little bit of luggage. Like, feels like we have not spent enough time in Tangalle, which, you know, I'm not saying that the other places were bad, but like it's kind of like I got this energy with this place. So far, maybe Tangalle is one of my favorite places. Something about it, but we have not been to any bad place yet. I don't think it exists in Sri Lanka. And lots of people said that Colombo being a bit of a bad place, but no, actually I do embrace Colombo a lot. It's great vehicles. Hello, sir. I like these vehicles standing about. I think they're just from moving products. Not sure. Hello there. We're just staying here next to the bus station. Hello. When I come back after. Well, maybe could take some time, but yeah, see, people know me here. The fish seller. I haven't bought any fish, I know. I'm a bit squeamish when it comes to cooking fish. Not sure why. Yeah, I'm more used to be cooking vegetables and chicken, but not so much fish because, you know, fish bones. So I'm very careful about my kids. Okay, so this is the regular bus station, and the highway buses, as they call them, are just behind the clock tower. Right. I just sent to the bus station, and here everybody told me that there is no direct bus to Colombo, and I see anybody. I mean, a lot of people did say that, but apparently here next to the clock tower there should be next bus like in a half an hour or so, and it's not that one. It's like a good one, although I like those ones. Cool. That's the one I think is here. See, that'd be like a nice, right next to the toilets, right? Not so sure. Is Colombo? All right, so we have to go to a place which is called Makumbara, and then that's like 2 hours, and then it's like half an hour or an hour to Colombo. So it's all not accurate information that we've received from several parts. They told us it'll take an hour and a half direct bus to Colombo. So we'll be on 2 different buses for 3 hours, so double that time. But still, if you take a normal bus, you'll be at least on it for 5 hours. So not complaining here. And of course, this bus is more expensive, but of course it's also more comfortable, quicker. And yeah, because they keep calling it the highway bus. Hey, dude, you're balking at me. Watch your other eye, right? No, yeah. So it'll be okay. Let's get some food going. Not sure what I want. Yeah, we usually have like kind of a short eats if there's not a restaurant. Hey, it's always here. Let's go try some of that food. It's a very cool place. I like this little bus station eatery. Very cool. See all the cool things, the chocolates. They got some short eats and some drinks. Oh, look at that man.
Only plastic, no?
That's good.
Very bad.
Yeah, I know, but sometimes you need.
Right.
Okay, bye-bye, sir. Thank you very much. Alrighty, so our breakfast. And then we're back into our luxury bus. That will not bring us to where we want to go, but it will bring us a good portion closer. The highway bus. No, I mean, yeah, no, it's just not what we thought it would be. Yes, sir. So, he told me I can come in half an hour, but it was 5 minutes ago. Come on, guy. All right, can you put this away? Can you hold this? It's air conditioned. It's cold. Not used to that here in Sri Lanka. So we should be leaving in 15 minutes, or actually, huh? Are we leaving now already? I got the music. I don't know if that's a good thing. I hope the record company is nice to me. I actually just come back and I've been gone for 5 minutes and I left. He told me when I left, yeah, don't worry, we're leaving in a half an hour. An hour left? Come on, dude. Gotta be hitting me. Anyway, so this is my breakfast. This is like, I think it's an egg roll. Sri Lankan egg roll. Egg veggies. Very good. Very good. They take the norm. Yeah, he did. But now it's 9:14. First time in history of mankind that they leave early, right? So there's what's it called? They take the normal roti, paratha dough, make, and then they have breaded like they grate bread crumbs, which they, I think, fry a little bit, and then anyway they put it, then they put the stuff inside, and you know what I mean, right? It's pretty good actually. Weird, that they're leaving early. I mean, how lucky were we that I had a little bit more time than we needed, but we're not standing because we figured we'd have enough time, right? But no. Well, everything good. We're on our way. Colombo, here we come. So is some record company going to demonetize my video because of that song? Does anybody know that song? I can hardly believe it because it's kind of like, well, no, I kind of like it, but it's not my thing. Is the boy good? Hey. Are you singing? You are singing, baby. You're not only a walking baby, you're also a singing baby, and of course you're a drinking baby. I know that. Your second breakfast, the vegetable roti. That's what they call. It's like a roti, like the paratha roti kind of thing, dough, and then they have some vegetable, what do you call it, a paste, and then they fry it together. It's almost like, for the Malaysians, like a murtabak. Mainly potatoes and it's like a samosa thing almost. It's quite spicy actually. I like it. Not sure how much of that sound will make a problem here, so I'm not going to film too much. Coffee or tea? The old style orange. That's alright. Breakfast, I prefer a coffee. Particularly here, coffee here I like. It's like Turkish coffee almost. Goodbye Tangalle. Goodbye. Bye people I've never met. Bye bye. Bye house. Bye palm trees. Bye coconut trees. Bye monkeys. Bye lots of monitor lizards. Bye bye snakes. Bye bye insects. Bye bye mosquitoes. Bye bye. See you again. Bye bye. Going back to Colombo?
Yes.
Yes? Yeah, it's kind of cool. I'm looking forward. There's such a green paradise down here, and I'm actually everywhere on the island I've seen so far. This is a beautiful country. I mean, because I have not seen anything ugly or anything, like barren or, just bad, but so far everything I've seen is perfect. I mean, it's very nice. I mean, except for the internet, that sucks. But you know, that's not the country's fault, right? Also, the visa cost. Well, it's not the country's fault. It's the government's fault. But you know, what's you gonna do? You get to be here, though. In Baliata, that's how we took the train to Baliata, and the bus here to Tangalle. So we're stopping by here quickly. But this time we're not getting a train. We're going with this super luxurious bus towards Colombo. And Colombo is always like my favorite detective, right? So, you know what I mean? It's the famous highway that we're taking. That is the highway that makes us save like 3 hours. Of course, the bus is more expensive. Don't kid yourself. Here we go. We're on the highway. Hopefully not to hell. No, rather to Colombo. Alright, check it out. Alrighty. Some more rice fields. Very nice. Oh, I like it. Going through the jungle. On the highway. And the boy's eating another egg bun, which he likes too. They're selling the tickets on the bus, which is quite unusual if you think this is like an AC bus, like a luxury bus, like, as they declare it. I mean, it's not really a luxury, but I think here, since there are not so many long distances, there's more. Yeah, for those they have like better buses, but yeah, the old ones will do for an hour or 2 hour ride. That is why it's not so developed, the modern bus riding, right? We paid per seat. You pay 1,500 rupee, which is, I don't know, that's maybe $4. So we got three seats. I mean, he charged us 3 seats. I mean, although we're occupying actually 4, but that's fair, fair enough. Yeah, it's quite a journey, and it's not very expensive. Of course, if you take a regular one, it's a lot cheaper, but it's a good bus, very good bus, the best in the country, maybe. All right, so okay, Makumura is the place is called Makumura. This tower 2 hours away, and yeah, that will change. I have to go to Velavata, the Colombo bus, which will probably take another 30 minutes, I'm not sure. So I would say hopefully the journey today it will be maximum 3 hours. Piece of cake. It's actually quite a nice trip. You have basically the highways through the jungle, so you need lots of green, green land, green whatnot, There's farmers or whatever, workers. What a nice trip. I like it. Of course, it's going pretty fast. No traffic jam at all. There's hardly any cars on the road, which is probably still part of the, gas crisis. So I got new visitors. There's like almost no villages at all on this way. It's very interesting. There's of course houses and roads sometimes, but not so much. Alrighty. The best driver in Sri Lanka. That's the best conductor in Sri Lanka, maybe. You never know. It's a good road. I'm surprised how good. Very, very good. But not much traffic. That's a good thing. might be at the end of the highway here. Oh, I'm not sure if that is it. Here it says goes Colombo. We're here somewhere, I'm not sure where yet. Suppose this will be the end of the line, I'm not sure. A bit. Alrighty. So it's quite inconvenient. We just they totally broke our stroller, and so we had to leave it back and take the kit in the on the back, and now we have to change buses twice. So much for the luxury bus, right? But you know that ride was good, and I think it's not very far actually, but we're getting there. We're getting there. It's kind of like a nightmare. We took that one bus here, and then he kept us inside the bus. He told us, he forgot to tell us where to drop us, so we had to walk back here 300 meters, and then we ended up here at this junction. Well, I looked on Google Maps. This is a 3.1 kilometer. We could also take a rickshaw, but we don't really fit in there. So, well, we'll figure it out, right? Not sure if this is the end of the video or if it goes on. The thing is just we've been, I'm not sure, I'm not saying, well, we've been lied to, but I think we've been lied to. I know, they told us there will be a direct bus, no problem, Tangalle. And that was the host from there, but that is far from being the truth. There's, would have had change 3 times, and that is not a direct bus, if you ask me. So, and we with kids, and we're used to that. So, although I don't know, I find it harder than in India here. Although this being to be the more overlooked place, right? I don't know. It's good fun. So the baby's having a little snack now, and then we'll go our way. Maybe by bus, or we will not fit in a rickshaw. I don't see any other cabs. I've never seen another cab. I'm sure there are. Whatever, we'll make it. All right, so we made it to that bus, and in a few minutes we're at this Sankankaran road where our host will pick us up. Okay, it's not so bad after all, but not so great either, right? Okay, bye. All right, guys, we made it. It was a little bit difficult, but then in the end, it was not difficult at all. We just maybe with a few wrong turns or whatever. We're here, and we are in our house, a little house, and I guess I'll show you in the next video the house, right? And I can tell you, I'm happy because we have very, very strong internet here, unlimited internet. That's a big surprise, and I love it. Anyway, guys, bye. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and maybe like the video, and do let me know what you think. You know, you can say anything, you can ask anything. Not mean I will answer anything, but you know what I mean, right? Okay, guys, talk to you in my next video. Bye.